This year's blend is off the hook. The new maple core and the capwall construction has made the blend much lighter and super fun. It's just a lot more responsive, and in the air, it's a huge advantage to have lower swing weight. It's just less work.
The blend can pretty much do everything. It's like a one ski quiver basically. Small enough that you can take it in the park and feel comfortable doing tricks on it. It's big enough that you can take it into the backcountry and hit a booter and feel comfortable landing on it. It's got the early rise to help you stay on top of that soft snow. It's got camber underfoot, so you can still rip groomers. I like to ski park a lot. If there's a lot of snow, I want to be off the trail, skiing in the POW, jumping off the cliffs, shredding in the trees. If you have to ride a park the whole way down, or if you have to ski pillows the whole way down, and you can only have one ski, take the blend.